The movie, it's 7 minutes. It's on YouTube. You can check it out after the live. I was also nominated International Reggae and World Music Award Best Poet in Florida, and I did another performance there at the Palm Beach, Jamaica Independence. Video is also on the YouTube, and some videos also on my TikTok. I'm gonna drop another one. This one is called Off to America. Mother, why did you send me off to America? The question I asked. A reply was, child, you are talented. Go find a new start. Michelle Henry, you know this, she never liked to get a life and she want me get a better life. Jamaica crime rate to escalate, every day death arise, make a choice, migrate and get a wife. Me link my uncle borrow for some money, him say, see it, I go set it right, make everybody nice. You see Michelle Henry in the comment section, she bought me a ticket and the next day me get a flight. Yeah, why did you send me off to America? The time so cold, I've come to realize all that glitter isn't gold.